Some of us love technology, some of us hate it, but you can't avoid it.
Sometimes it feels like tech wriggles its way into every part of your life like a horrible little worm, often without you knowing about it.
The tech giants are quietly shaping our world, deciding how things will work, all while distracting us with shiny new toys. But it's about time to look behind the screen and talk about what's actually happening. Welcome to The Interface, the show that explores how tech is rewiring your week and your world.
Okay, starting a podcast. What are we podcasting about, guys?
Should we tell people who we are first?
We should introduce ourselves.
Yeah, probably.
I don't know
Who the hell are we? Tom, you are our BBC tech columnist. Your reporting's taken on some of the biggest tech companies in the world. And you actually got Facebook to delete over 1 billion people's facial recognition data, right?
Well, I do my best. But we've also got Nicky here. Nicky, you've done some of the most acclaimed podcasts about life online, and you're often wandering around in the weirdest neighborhoods of the internet.
This is a weird neighborhood.
We are creating a weird neighborhood.
We're creating a weird neighborhood.
Yeah.
And Karen, you wrote the defining book on AI, unpacking it in a way that's occasionally terrifying, but reminding us we still always have a say.
So, boys, what are we going to be talking about each week?
Well, it's questions like, is AI more accurate when you're nice to it? On certain kinds of math problems, the AI that they were using was more accurate when you asked it to pretend to be a Star Trek character. Why? Nobody knows.
That's so wild. Is online betting changing the outcome of world events?
This is a massive national security issue.
Huge. Yeah. It also might incentivize what's called an assassination market, for example, which is if there is a prediction market that somebody will die, there is then an incentive to kill them.
Are data centers eating your hometown? And do we actually even need them?
I visited a data center before where it was just a little building tucked into a residential area. I've also now been to modern day data centers. These are facilities that are hundreds of acres.
Will Nicky ever learn how to post on TikTok?
You've promised to teach me how to post on TikTok.
I'll help you out.
Will Tom, glued to his devices, ever face his biggest fear? Being bored.
I sure hope not, but we're also not always gonna agree on stuff. Karen, my life is already so hard. You want me to make myself bored? I don't even know how to do that anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
If you're in the UK, listen on BBC Sounds, or if you're outside the UK, you can listen wherever you get your podcasts, or just search for The Interface Podcasts on YouTube.